Welcome to Agency Success Blueprint. I built this course after seeing hundreds of freelancers and entrepreneurs struggle to turn their skills into real businesses. Most courses out there push expensive software, complicated systems, and endless hours of content that overwhelm instead of helping. I wanted something different, an affordable, practical blueprint that works as a side hustle and then as a full-time business. A clear, step-by-step system trusted by over 200 entrepreneurs designed to help you escape the 9-to-5, land clients, and grow with confidence. This course is designed to help you get clients, craft offers, and build trust without expensive tools or years of trial and error. By the end, you'll have a niche, a professional presence, and an outreach system that gets replies. Inside, you'll learn how to set up your agency fast, pick profitable niches and services, craft a profile that builds instant credibility, and send cold emails that actually get responses. This course is for freelancers, side hustlers, and beginners who want to turn their skills into a profitable agency. If you're tired of guessing where clients come from and want a step-by-step system, this is for you. Join today, start building your agency with confidence, click enroll, and let's get started.